And now Prime Minister Modi will be on a 3-day visit to the United States of America starting Saturday. During this visit, he would join world leaders at the upcoming Quad Summit, which is expected to address pressing global issues, including the situation in Ukraine. Prime Minister Modi will also participate in the UN Summit for the Future at the UN headquarters in New York. He would also address a gathering of the Indian diaspora in New York again. DD India's Amritpal Singh and Shubhendu Ghosh are reporting from New York.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to embark on a crucial 3-day visit to the United States beginning Saturday. The visit kicks off with the highly anticipated Quad Summit in Delaware, followed by a series of important engagements in the New York City, including addressing the Summit for the Future, meetings with global CEOs, diaspora events, and bilateral discussions with world leaders.
The Prime Minister will be visiting the US from the 21st to the 23rd of September. This visit combines many aspects. It has a very important bilateral aspect to it, a very important plurilateral aspect to it, and an equally important multilateral aspect to it. There will be interaction with a variety of foreign partners at the level of the Prime Minister. There will be interaction with the large Indian diaspora in the US, and there will be engagement with a host of business and industry leaders, amongst others.
The visit begins with the Quad Summit, a critical platform for cooperation between 4 member countries: India, the United States, Japan, and Australia. The summit will focus on regional security, Indo-Pacific strategy, and evolving dynamics of global diplomacy. The summit will explore avenues for enhanced collaboration in areas like technology, infrastructure, and climate change. On the sidelines of the summit, Prime Minister Modi will also hold bilateral meetings with Australian and Japanese Prime Minister and the US President Joe Biden.
There will be an opportunity for both sides to exchange a few agreements. Two that I would highlight are the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework related agreements and an India-US drug framework related MOU.
On Monday, the Prime Minister will participate in the UN Summit for the Future, where he is expected to speak about pressing global challenges of the future, including sustainable development, digital transformation, and global governance.
When Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses the Summit of the Future here in New York, focus would be on India's vision of a sustainable tomorrow, keeping in mind the priorities of the Global South.
The Prime Minister will also address the Indian American community at a diaspora event at the Long Island. The event is expected to reinforce strong connection between India and its diaspora, which plays a vital role in fostering India-US relations. The Prime Minister will also meet with American business leaders in New York. This would be an important opportunity to strengthen economic ties and attract investments in key sectors like technology, energy, and manufacturing. Following the meeting, Prime Minister Modi will also engage with global leaders in bilateral discussions. While the security of the Indo-Pacific will figure prominently in the talks between the leaders, from an Indian standpoint, the developmental needs and goals of the countries of the region would be of paramount importance. With cameraman Sumit Naudyal and my colleague Shubhendu Ghosh, this is Amritpal Singh for DD India in New York.